Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the chocolate so it melts evenly and tastes right. Chop 60–85% dark chocolate into 0.5 1 cm pieces, weigh what you need, and set aside a dry bowl. Use a double boiler for control or microwave at low power in 20-second bursts, stirring between each burst. Once it's about 80% melted, remove from heat and stir gently until smooth. This prevents seizing and preserves glossy texture for recipes. Once the chocolate is fluid, you incorporate fats or liquids to create ganache, sauces, or batters. Add warm cream or melted butter slowly to avoid splitting. Stir continuously to form a smooth emulsion. Use a digital thermometer to control temperature. If making coatings or bars, temper by cooling to 27–28 degrees, then reheating briefly to 31–32 degrees so crystals align and shine. This step matters. You finish by applying the chocolate when it's within the working temperature. Pour for molds, spread for bark, or fold into batter to keep volume. For ganache, chill until it reaches desired firmness. For drizzles, keep warm over a low water bath and stir occasionally. If chocolate seizes or looks grainy, don't panic. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm cream or oil per 50 grams and whisk until smooth. This rescue restores emulsion and saves the batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.